The world is changing fast toward a future powered by sustainable energy. Offshore wind is both growing and maturing, and costs are falling, making it more attractive for governments and companies to invest in all over the world. Hitachi Energy is the world's leading supplier of power collection and grid connection solutions for offshore wind farms. Whether you are a developer, operator, fabrication yard, or EPC, we provide optimized solutions that meet the specific needs of your project. We support you every step of the way, from FEED studies to ensure the best technical and most economical solution, with seamless project execution across the entire project value chain, to installation, commissioning, and lifecycle support from our global service network. Our modular and prefabricated offshore substations reduce complexity for yardworks and are optimized for each platform in terms of power output, design, size, and weight. Repeatable and scalable, they are ideal for large AC wind farms from 200 megawatts to 2 gigawatts or more. Our holistic approach takes everything into account to ensure the lowest lifetime cost of ownership, CapEx and OpEx, as well as system availability, performance metrics, and operational efficiency. Offshore wind farms operate in remote, harsh environments. Unplanned maintenance is costly. Our digital substation options enhance safety, provide real-time performance insights, and allow condition-based maintenance. They are all enabled for Identic, our digital twin solution. With proven experience, Hitachi Energy provides affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy solutions for your project, everywhere.